Companies in the US lose over $1.6 trillion every year due to customers switching because of lousy customer service and experience. This customer exodus can lead to a higher churn rate, not to mention the negative word of mouth, which travels fast. Constant customer satisfaction measurement alerts companies the moment customers stop feeling happy and start to churn. However, this is only possible if you track the right customer satisfaction metrics. Let's quickly run through 6 key metrics that help you measure customer satisfaction the right way. The first one on the list is Customer Satisfaction Score that gauges how satisfied customers are with your services, products, or experience. Analytics tells you what, but Qualaroo tells you why with its in-context surveys. They are 10 times more powerful than email surveys and let you ask the right questions to the right people at the right time. On-site or in-app pop-up surveys let you ask branching logic-based follow-on questions to know why a customer left the kind of score they did and cultivate contextual insights. Next is Net Promoter Score. An NPS survey helps you get the pulse of your customers and measure their loyalty toward your brand. NPS works best when asked in the context of your website, app, or product experience. For example, ask how likely are you to recommend our brand to a friend or colleague in NPS surveys to collect responses. Customers with 9 or 10 score on the scale are your brand promoters. Those who rate you 7 or 8 are neutral, and the ones who scored between 0 to 6 are detractors that are not at all happy with your services. Next, Customer Effort Score survey metrics evaluate how easy or difficult it was for customers to resolve an issue or complete a goal. Configure these to be asked right when a user completes a goal, such as makes a purchase or completes a task. The higher the score, the better the customer experience. Create follow-up questions based on the response to collect contextual feedback and analyze with AI Word Cloud. Customer Service Satisfaction Metric explores the quality of interaction with customer support. Add pop-up customer service satisfaction surveys to your live chat after resolving customer queries to get fresh feedback in real time and see how you perform in this metric. Remember, the better the customer service, the easier it is to retain customers. Customer Health Score metric observes user behavior and assigns a score that tells if the customers will become promoters or detractors. It measures elements like return or exchange rate, customer support interaction, preference between freemium and premium, return business, and etc. to make data-backed predictions. Customer churn rate defines how fast customers stop engaging with a company and start to churn. A high churn rate means you've lots of unsatisfied customers who are not interested in doing business with you. For this, listening to the voice of customers and acting on it is one sure way to retain those detracting customers. Start tapping these metrics with Qualaroo's easy-to-use surveys to measure customer satisfaction and resolve the customer bottlenecks that stop them from loving your brand. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.